Hey y'all, so I'm back, and this time we're working on the basement. We're about to do some cleaning, some painting, and just like little changes, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to me. I really appreciate it. And like this video. Any questions, leave a comment.
Swag up, oh, you a bad girl and your friends back too, oh, we got the swag, so she wish you would just focus on me. Wish you would just focus on me. Hey, yeah, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virgin, got one, and that day is the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it? Boom, man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, still trying to fuck up the wheels on the road. Okay, funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose. Okay, soon as you give him your soul, you blow up, and they say it's selling your soul. Okay, they want my life exposed. They wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay.
I'm about to start painting, and I'll wait for this to dry, but I'm gonna start in this area over here. I'm just about to cut the corners, just like these areas right here. Just cut the corners so it'll be easier. The old color. First coat. Second coat. So this is the area that had the pink patch right here. I have to probably put another little coat. It looks good. Oh, let's remove this tape right here. Hopefully it's dry up a little bit. Looking good so far, looking good. So we're finally decorating, and we finished with the painting and stuff. So it's decorating time, so we finished with the painting. So I just want to show you guys a few things that I got. These are some items we got from Facebook Marketplace. That was so cheap. So this item right here, Facebook Marketplace, I think it was $10. Facebook Marketplace, right here, Facebook Marketplace, the mini fridge, Facebook Marketplace. Also, we got this bed frame, Facebook Marketplace. This sectional is also from Facebook Marketplace. We have to do a little cleaner, but it's real nice. Stay tuned, and you're gonna see everything set up, you know, decorations and just everything.